Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U1280, indicates that a bus-off state has been detected by the Controller Area Network, CAN controller, in a Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017 models. The CAN controller is pivotal for communication between various electronic control units within the vehicle, ensuring they function harmoniously. When this DTC is triggered, it signifies a breakdown in communication, potentially leading to various performance issues. The Automatic Lighting Control Unit, ALC, is one such unit significantly affected by this code, responsible for managing the automobile's lighting based on environmental conditions. Diagnostic steps may require checking various components, including wiring and connections, to resolve the issue. Hence, the identification and verification will guide the technician to resolve potential faults correctly. Preventive maintenance is vital to avoid issues related to DTC U1280 in future operations. Regular inspections of the wiring and connectors within the CAN system can help identify potential issues before they escalate into significant failures. Inspecting for frays, corrosion, or loose connections is essential, as these are common causes of intermittent faults. Furthermore, keeping the software of all electronic modules updated ensures that they can communicate effectively and reliably. Scheduled maintenance intervals present a great opportunity to check these systems comprehensively, allowing you to address concerns proactively and keep your vehicle running seamlessly. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of DTC activation and enhances overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, understanding the significance of the CAN system in Honda Accords, particularly concerning DTC U1280, is fundamental to effective troubleshooting. The comprehensive steps outlined, from clearing DTCs to waiting for system stabilization, play a crucial role in accurately diagnosing communication failures. Regular verification of DTCs after each troubleshooting step is vital to ensuring complete resolution of any issues. Furthermore, performing routine maintenance checks is essential in preventing future occurrences of similar codes. Such practices increase reliability, enhance safety, and ultimately provide a better driving experience. A systematic approach is key to resolving DTCs and promoting vehicle longevity. The error stems from a bus-off state detected by the CAN controller, which is integral for communication within your Honda Accord. The CAN system allows different modules, such as the engine control unit and the automatic lighting control unit, to exchange information efficiently. The ALC unit helps in adjusting the vehicle's lighting automatically based on ambient light, improving visibility and safety. When communication fails, as indicated by the DTC U1280, all systems relying on the communications network risk improper functionality. To ensure accurate diagnostics, emphasis should be placed on inspecting the wiring and connections, which are often the primary culprits in such issues. A meticulous approach will help in identifying the root cause without overlooking any critical elements in the CAN system. Before proceeding with specific troubleshooting steps, it's essential to understand the common causes of DTC U1280. First, wiring issues can lead to continuity problems, causing the CAN controller to lose communication with other modules. Second, a faulty CAN controller itself might be the cause, either due to physical damage or internal failure. Third, if the automatic lighting control unit fails, it may not correctly signal to the CAN, generating this DTC. Additionally, signal interference from other devices or malfunctioning components may disrupt communication flow. Finally, if multiple DTCs are present in the system, Focusing on them may prove vital before addressing DTC U1280, as they could be interconnected. Understanding these factors is crucial to accurately diagnose and rectify the issue. Identifying symptoms associated with DTC U1280 is crucial in diagnosing the underlying problem. Drivers may notice issues related to lighting system malfunctions, such as headlights or taillights failing to operate correctly or adjusting as they should. There may also be communication errors affecting other systems that rely on the CAN network, leading to erratic behavior and even increased warning lights on the dashboard. While the immediate symptoms may not seem severe, intermittent problems can lead to significant system failures if left unchecked. These symptoms guide technicians to understand the scope of the issue and prioritize their troubleshooting efforts. Recognizing these symptoms aids in forming a comprehensive picture of potential failures linked to the CAN system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U1280 is to clear the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This process resets the engine control module and clears any stored DTCs, providing a clean slate for further diagnostics. After completing this, it's essential to assess whether the DTC reappears, which indicates persistent issues that need addressing. This step is critical, as it determines if the problem is ongoing or if it might have been a temporary glitch. A successful reset suggests no immediate issues, while a recurring DTC indicates a deeper underlying problem. Thus, clearing the DTCs forms the basis for accurate troubleshooting in any case of engine management issues. In this second step, you will need to turn the ignition switch from the lock 0 position back to the on 2 position. Alternatively, if the vehicle has a push-button start, pressing it to switch off and then on is also acceptable. This process is essential for reinitializing the onboard systems, including the CAN controller. Proper initialization ensures that all electronic modules are ready for operation and communication post-DTC clearing. This step is critical before moving forward to avoid overlooking any transient errors. Following this procedure confirms that the systems are appropriately prepared for subsequent checks and prevents misdiagnosis from previously undetected fault conditions. After switching the ignition on, it is crucial to wait for at least 6 seconds. This waiting period allows all connected modules, including the CAN controller and other components, sufficient time to stabilize and be ready for communication. Technical readiness is vital for accurate diagnostics. If testing is initiated too soon, it could yield false readings or additional errors that were not present before. This step is more than just a formality. It ensures systems within the vehicle are correctly initialized and communicate effectively. Therefore, allowing this pause is an essential component of systematic troubleshooting to ensure reliable results. It sets the stage for an efficient diagnosis process. The final step in this initial troubleshooting phase involves checking for DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, once again. This scan is critical to ascertain if DTC U1280 reappears after following the preparation steps. If the DTC is indicated, it confirms that an underlying issue persists that requires further investigation, and you'll need to proceed with the stated troubleshooting on the MyQ, Multiplex Integrated Control Unit, for DTC U1280. Conversely, if no faults are detected, it suggests an intermittent failure, indicating the system is functioning correctly at this moment. Understanding the outcome of this step is pivotal for knowing how to proceed, whether implementing deeper diagnostics or determining temporary conditions were briefly affecting system operation. Gathering continual DTC data helps build a comprehensive evaluation for accurate decision-making. Final repair verification is essential after addressing the U1280 DTC. All previous DTCs should be cleared successfully, confirming that no further issues are present. Additionally, it is crucial to road test the vehicle to confirm that the lighting and communication systems function correctly. This involves observing various electrical components in real-world conditions to ensure they react accurately to inputs. Repair success requires demonstrating that the previous symptoms are no longer evident and confirming that all systems communicate effectively. Proper verification ensures the integrity of the repair and guarantees that the vehicle is restored to its intended operational condition, enhancing safety and reliability for the driver. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.